Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to organize your workspace layout in Premiere Pro so you can edit faster and stay organized when editing. So let's get started. Now, this is my current Shambo workspace. Now, if you want to open where the workspace pane is, you go to Windows, and on Windows you see Workspaces. So here are the workspaces that have been created so far. You can see that my current workspace is on all panels, which means everything is stacked to each other. For example, when you come to this side, you will see that we have info, we have effect, we have essential graphics, we have sound, essential sound, Lumetrix, and all of that. Everything is stacked. It's because the workspace is showing all panel. So you can switch to whether it's assembly, audio, color, editing, effects, and all of that. But we can also go to editing this workspace. This shows what you want and what you don't want. If you come down here, it says do not show. So let's say I do not want any of maybe libraries to show. I'll just drag libraries and bring it down here. Drag metal login, bring it down. And when I am done removing the ones I do not, maybe this learning, I don't want it to show. So I'll just drag it and bring it down. Drag it to do not show. Then anything I do not want it to show, that's how you edit workspace. You just bring it to do not show, and then you click on OK. So once that is saved, anywhere they are showing here, they will not be shown. Now, you could also want to rearrange your panel. Now, if this monitor panel here, I can drag it. If I just click like this, I can drag it and take it to anywhere. I can bring it here. You can drag it from here and put it here. So you drag it to how you want it to be at any time of your work. So I can also drag this one and bring it up here and allow it to stay up here. So anything I drag and drop anywhere I put them, it becomes where they can stay. That is how you can drag. So you just hover your mouse around it until it's showing, then you just drag, and then you see that it's showing. You see now, anywhere I put it, it goes to that place. So at any point in time, you can just go back to Windows and go to Workspace, and then you reset to save layout. So it will take you back to where it was from the beginning. Now, to resize any workspace, for example, like this now, this is not as big as I want. So you just see where I'm coming here, I'll just drag. So you can just increase it. See here now, I have hover it around. When you see this, you now do like this. So if as the monitor, the program monitor is increasing, you see that the timeline is decreasing. So the reason why sometimes we make it smaller is so that we can have enough spaces to edit on the timeline, put more video, put more audios and all of that. So the more I hover and I see these two double line and I drag it, you see that it's increasing and it's decreasing. So the next is how to save a custom workspace. So assuming the way I just make arrangement to this, I want to save it, I can just go to Windows and then Workspace. Let's say I want all panels to be my default or customized workspace. I'll just go to Windows, Workspace, and then go to Save as New Workspace. Then I give it a name. Let's say this one will be for edit. So if I click on Save, it will be saved under Edit. So if I come now, you see there is an edit. So if I want to do for any other thing, after I've made this several changes, I'll now go ahead and save it as a new workspace. So to reset or delete workspace, you just go to Workspace again. You see we have reset to, and then we also have the reset layer to the saved one, and when you click on it to resaved to the other one. So pro tips on how to stay updated and stay in the smooth and cluster-free workspace, what you need to do is that at all time, you have to save a customized workspace for your editing, and then save the same for color grading and for any other thing you want to do, maybe for audio and any other thing you want to do. So like I've saved one for edit now. Let's say this is what I use for editing. I'll save another one for color, and I will save another one for anything to just keep my work. So if I'm doing coloring, all I need to do is to say and then re-import it into the interface of the color. And that's it. Customizing your workspace in Premiere Pro. It's a quick and easy, making your editing so easy. Now, if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, and comment. And I will see you in the next video.